Your question is, what is beauty? Napakahirap naman ang tanong na ito.
Grabe naman.
What is beauty if your face is ugly? You have 10 seconds.
What is beauty if my face is ugly? The beauty belongs to other people. I look for the love and kindness in other people. Yun na lang po kung wala sa akin, sa iba ko na lang ako.
Oh, thank you very much, Miss City. Let's go to Ai Sigera. Same question. What is beauty if your face is ugly?
Hindi naman porke pangit ang mukha ko, hindi magandang aking kalooban at ang aking puso.
Oh.
Kitang-kita naman, sa pangangatawan pa lamang, lahat ito maganda, lalo na ito.
Oh!
Inay, thank you.
Ganda. Maya-maya lamang po, malalaman natin kung sino ang winner.